Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Jim is back from our pickup in San Jose, where we're bringing in over 1,000 different new items that we'll be listing over the next 6 to 9 months. Here's our first offering. What we have here is a backlit 26-inch wide carnation ice cream sign. So you've got a three-dimensional pop out, if you will, backlit. Very, very nice shape. Really nice. Again, looking on eBay, didn't see anything like this on the market right now. So if you are into vintage signing, carnation specifically, or just want a good ice cream sign, get it while you can.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.